KS Services is now offering preventative maintenance plans as low as $12 a month. Preventative maintenance is so important when it comes to your HVAC system. Let us come check your system out and perform our 22-point inspection. It's better to be safe than sorry. We have so many plans to choose from and special offers that go along with them. Call today for more information. 205-322-9090. Alabama license number 11120.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Friday, the 2nd of November. I'm James Spann. Very cool weather today. Gradual clearing this afternoon. A beautiful weekend ahead, but potential for a significant severe weather event for parts of the Deep South early next week. That'll be the focus here. So let's take a look at things. Big trough over the eastern states this morning. That'll be rotating on top of the state today, providing temperatures well below average for early November. What you see here this morning, that was taken at 4 o'clock. Those numbers won't change much all day. We've got upper 40s and low to mid 50s, and if anything, these numbers might drop a little bit and then just kind of stay there all day. Around the nation, pretty chilly as we start the day. There's the watch warning map. Quiet morning, some wind advisories in scattered pockets up north, winter weather advisories for parts of Montana and North Dakota. Later today, a chance of strong storms on the Atlantic coast all the way from New York City down to Orlando and Tampa Bay. There's some marginal risk there. But look at this now. This is day 4. Now, this is Monday night, early Tuesday. This outlook runs through 7 a.m. Tuesday. And already on day 4, you've got a 30% chance of severe weather over parts of the Mid-South. That's very significant. Memphis, Jackson, Tupelo, Meridian, and a 15% ring well into Alabama. And then on day 5, a risk of severe storms. This is after 7 a.m. Tuesday from East Alabama over into the Carolinas. And we'll talk much more about this in detail here in just a second. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. In the east is fairly wet. The heavier totals for our state, 1 to 2 inches for the north, under 1 inch for the south. And the tropics are quiet. So let's look at the GFS. This is the OZ run, valid today at 1 o'clock. There's your trough down below that. A cloudy and cool day. We'll be in the 50s all day, but the sky should begin to clear this afternoon. Mid to late afternoon, the sky will be clear tonight. A great night for high school football games. And tomorrow morning, we'll be well down in the 40s, maybe some 30s for the colder pockets with a touch of light frost. During the day tomorrow, a beautiful day, sunny with upper 60s. A great day for football. Looking at fall colors, anything else you want to do. Fall colors are peaking here next week. Now, this is Sunday. We're still dry. The high most likely will be around 70. We'll call it partly sunny with a cold front to the west. That will be fizzling out. And then Monday looks relatively quiet during the day. Maybe a few scattered showers. The high will be in the 70s. We note that 994 millibar low developing near Amarillo. Let's go to Tuesday of next week. And again, that's a problematic look for November. A deep negative tilt upper trough with very strong winds aloft. And down below that, a rapidly deepening surface low near Chicago with a trailing front. And that's going to bring very high shear values in here and the chance of a significant severe weather episode. This is the Instability Tuesday. And again, very unstable air place across the state. And here's a look at the shear situation. This is basically your wind barbs from the 10-meter level just off the surface up to 5,000 feet and 18,000 feet. This very strong directional shear. Extremely highly sheared environment here. So in terms of the timing and the specifics, it's still a little too early for that. But I think we'll have to target late Monday night and Tuesday morning especially, and especially for the northern half of the state. There could be a few thunderstorms with large hail, damaging wind, and tornadoes. In fact, the Weather Service in Birmingham, in their morning discussion, they're mentioning potential for violent long-track tornadoes. So again, what we need to do now, we haven't had severe weather in a while, is to just be ready for a significant event late Monday night into part of the day Tuesday. And this could be an overnight thing, perhaps. So be sure your weather radio batteries are fresh. That's what you should be doing. You should set the clocks this weekend. We fall back. Check those batteries. Know where you're going. In your safe place, have helmets, portable air horns, hard-soled shoes. And hopefully we get through this with nothing, but it certainly looks like it could be significant at this point. Wednesday, we're dry and cool. This is Thursday, same thing. In a week from today, troughing over much of the continent, and again, that looks cool and dry. Here are the numbers off the GFS. We bump up in the 70s early next week, and then highs in the low 60s and lows mostly in the low 40s. A little below seasonal averages for early November, but not by far. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.